Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be seeing an in-depth detail about one of the fighter jet, which is one among the most produced supersonic jet aircraft in the aviation history. And this particular aircraft is a member of Indian Air Force fleet as well. Approximately 60 countries over 4 continents have flown this aircraft, and the aircraft which I am talking about is the MiG-21. And this aircraft still serves many nations 6 decades after its first flight. I am sure every defense lovers would be aware of this fighter jet, and for those who are not aware, the MiG-21 fighter aircraft, it's a supersonic jet fighter and an interceptor aircraft designed by the Mikoyan-Gurevich Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. The MiG-21 was the first successful Soviet aircraft combining the fighter and interceptor characteristics in a single aircraft. The MiG-21 is a lightweight fighter achieving a Mach 2 speed with a relatively low-powered afterburning turbojet. So let us quickly see details about the design of MiG-21. The MiG-21 has a short range, and this was due to poor placement of the internal fuel ahead of the center of gravity. And this had the effect of making the plane unstable to the point of being difficult to control, and this results in an endurance of only 45 minutes in a clean condition. This can be somewhat countered by carrying a fuel in external tanks closer to the center of gravity so that the plane is always stable. Coming to the wing, the delta wing adds an excellent power for a fast climbing interceptor like MiG-21. About the engine which powers this fighter jet, the MiG-21's Tumansky R-25-300 jet engine's specialty was the addition of second fuel pump in the afterburning stage. Activating the booster feature allows the engine to develop 97.4 kilonewtons of thrust under 2000 meters of altitude. The RPM of this particular engine would increase by 2.5%, and the compression ratio would thus increase with a rise in the exhaust temperature. The use of a tail with the delta wing aids the stability and control at the extreme of the flight envelope, which enhances the safety for low-skilled pilots as well. Such a great performing fighter jet, which is a member of Indian Air Force, would obviously need an upgrade, and that is how the MiG-21 Bison was born. Several Russian, Israeli and Romanian firms have begun to offer the upgrade packages to MiG-21 operators and designed to bring the aircraft up to a modern standard with greatly upgraded avionics and armaments. Since 2006, over 100 MiG-21s of the Indian Air Force have been upgraded to the Bison variant. So what does the upgraded Bison variant of MiG-21 have? According to the sources, the upgraded MiG-21 Bison included the upgraded electronics, better avionics and communication systems. Not only that, the Kopio lightweight multi-mode radar and helmet-mounted display and a better windshield was among the other features which the upgraded Bison variant received. The MiG-21 Bison was made capable of carrying modern weapon systems and missiles, and in terms of electronics, it could have been compared to the Mirage 2000. So even after all the enhancements or improvements made, the engine performance and the load carrying capability was not at all improved as part of this particular upgrade. So what were the general characteristics of MiG-21? The MiG-21 has a length of 14.7 meters, height of 4.1 meter and a wingspan of 7.154 meters. The maximum takeoff weight of this particular fighter jet is between 8,800 to 10,000 kilograms. Maximum speed of MiG-21 stands at 2,237 km per hour, and it has a range of 660 to 800 kilometers. Coming to the armament, it has one internal 23mm GSH-23L autocannon with 4 hardpoints S-24 rocket package, various air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. This fighter jet obviously played a major role in the defense fleet. The bad thing about this particular fighter jet is the safety. Since 1970, more than 170 Indian pilots and 40 civilians were killed due to MiG-21 accidents. At least 14 MiG-21 have crashed between 2010 to 2013, and over half of the 840 aircrafts built between 1966 and 1984 were lost to these crashes. In view of the several incidents that have occurred, this modernized MiG-21 Bison seems to have at present the role of an interceptor and a limited role to play as a fighter jet. Even though the MiG-21 was upgraded and played many important roles in Indian Air Force fleet, the Indian Air Force will phase out the MiG-21 Bison by 2022 tentatively, and this is when the aircraft will reach their end of their lifetime. Thanks for all the comments which I received via the community page. Please keep supporting the 10 Slide Info channel, and I'll keep uploading quality content videos regularly. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.